How to download CapCut on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download CapCut on PC. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for download CapCut for PC, and over here you will be able to see bunch of different options. So just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top and open the website. I'm opening the CapCut's official website, and over here you will see the option to download for free. Just simply click on it, and now as you can see that the downloading has been started. And now in the first step you just simply have to download the CapCut in your device, and then just go ahead and install it. So in order to install it, all you have to do is just simply double click on it and it will start downloading. Just simply click on open, and now just go ahead and install it properly in your device. So as you can see that it has started downloading, and the processing will complete till 100. Until then you have to wait, and once it is completed, your CapCut will be successfully downloaded in your device. So this is basically how you will be able to download CapCut on PC. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.